So I'm doing this video just to so you guys can see how much fun this car really is with the top down. So freaking fast. It's unbelievable. So freaking fast. You can hear the supercharger whine. The horsepower is instant, 650 horsepower. This is a 2019 Corvette Z06. I believe it's a 3LT package, or 3LZ, 3LT, whatever it is. But this thing freaking flies. This is automatic, so you can just hammer the power, good brakes. You got to be careful on these winding roads because you don't want to hit a biker that comes out of the blue here. But I absolutely love this car. This car is absolutely one of my favorite cars to drive. One of my favorite cars in the collection. I daily drive it to work every single day. Through the rain, it's got a weather mode. Right now we're in sport. It does have a track mode I don't use very often. I just like to keep it in sport. But it's super fast. These tires are unbelievable. Pilot Sport Cup 2s. Super responsive, very sticky. Steering is direct. See, you got to watch out for these bikers here. But love ripping through these windy roads. Gosh, dang it, that is fast. This thing is a freaking beast. Super fast. I love the convertible top. Oh, I love this car. American muscle, super 6.2 liter supercharged V8, 650 horsepower, 650 torque. The scary thing is, even with super sticky Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, you're just scared to death. It's not going to put the power down and you're going to spin out. So you just take it slow and don't be an idiot. Just try to be careful and enjoy the car. Treat it with respect and but it'll let you have fun, that's for sure. I absolutely love this car. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll try to upload some more videos of it. I'm an open book, like I've mentioned several times. If you have questions on prices or what it costs to maintain these kind of cars, happy to share that. Just let me know in the comments.